Hello and welcome to podcast episode of Mastering Time, the 4Ds technique, where we explore practical strategies to maximize productivity and efficiency in our daily lives. I am Priya Dalal, your host. Today we are diving into a powerful time management technique known as the 4Ds. Whether you are a busy professional, a student juggling multiple responsibilities, or just someone trying to make the most out of each day, mastering the 4Ds can be a game changer. So, let's jump right in. The 4Ds technique is a simple yet effective approach to managing your tasks and priorities. It consists of four steps: delete, delegate, defer, and do. Let's break down each step and see how it can help us better manage our time. The first D is delete. This steps involves eliminating tasks that are not essential or do not contribute to your goals. We often find ourselves overwhelmed with a long to-do list filled with tasks that don't really matter. Deleting this task frees up valuable time and mental energy for more important things. Ask yourself, is this task really necessary? Will it advance me toward my objectives? If not, it's time to hit the delete button. The second D is delegate. Many of us struggle with the idea of relinquishing control, but delegating tasks is crucial for effective time management. Identify tasks that can be outsourced or assigned to someone else, whether it's a colleague, a family member, or a virtual assistant. Delegating not only lightens your workload but also allows others to contribute their skills and expertise to the task at hand. The third T is defer. Not all tasks require immediate attention. Some can wait until later when you have more time, resources, or information. Defer tasks that are not urgent or time sensitive, but be sure to schedule a specific time to address them in the future. This prevents them from lingering indefinitely on your to do list and allows you to focus on more pressing matters in the present. Finally, we come to the fourth D, which is do. This is where action happens. Once you have deleted unnecessary tasks, delegated tasks to others, and deferred tasks for later, it's time to tackle what's left on your plate. Prioritize your remaining tasks based on their importance and urgency, and then dive in with focus and determination. Break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. In summary, the 4Ds technique: delete, delegate, defer, and do provides a structured approach to managing your time and tasks more effectively. By applying these principles, you can streamline your workflow, reduce stress, and achieve greater productivity in all areas of your life. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed by your to do list, remember the power of the 4Ds and take control your time. That's all for today's episode of Mastering Time. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, time is our most valuable resource. Let's use it wisely. Until next time, stay productive.